15, 18. Can any be divided by 2? Yes, therefore divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 15 cannot be divided by 2. Okay, equal. Here cannot be divided by 2. Can be divided by 3. Yes, divided by 3. 5 divided by 3 is 3. Divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 5 cannot be divided by 3. Okay, equal. Cannot be divided by 3. Can be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 5, therefore equal 1. 1, 1. Okay, finish it. Here 2, 3, 5, 3, 2 times, therefore exponent 2. 1, 2, 1 time, 5, 1 time. Okay. First exponent 3 multiplied 2 times 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 multiplied by 5, 45, multiplied by 2, 90. Okay,